Hello everyone. Firstly, welcome to one and all in SYBSC class. Friends, this is a new syllabus of Choice Based Credit System 2019 pattern and it is implemented from this current academic year. The name of subject is CH302 Inorganic and Organic Chemistry having 2 credit and 36 lecture. The first 3 chapters are inorganic chemistry, that is section first, and other 3 chapters are organic chemistry, that is section second. Today we discuss the overall syllabus of organic chemistry, that is section second. The organic chemistry it having 3 chapters. Number 1 aromatic hydrocarbons, number 2 alkyl and aryl halide, number 3 alcohol, phenol, ether. When you study the aromatic hydrocarbon, you must know the what you mean by the aromatic and hydrocarbon. Then alkyl and aryl halide. And lastly alcohol, phenol, ether. You must know the what is the functional group of alcohol, phenol and ethers. Number 1 aromatic hydrocarbon. Friends, when we study this chapter, you must know the what is meant by the aromaticity and hydrocarbon. Here, first one is the introduction. After that, IUPAC nomenclature of benzene derivative. There are two different methods. Number 1 common name and IUPAC nomenclature. But here, in case of aromatic hydrocarbon, we use only IUPAC nomenclature method for the nomenclature of or for giving the name to the aromatic hydrocarbon by using IUPAC method. Then preparation. The aromatic hydrocarbons are prepared by various methods in which number 1 from phenol, number 2 by decarboxylation, number 3 from acetylene and last one from benzene sulfonic acid. Then reactions of benzene. In reactions of benzene there is electrophilic substitution reaction. First we study what is meant by the electrophile. Then substitution reaction. What is the meaning of the substitution reaction? The substitution reaction, which first one is the nitration. The nitration is nothing but addition of nitronium ion. So next question in a mind, how will you prepare the nitronium ion? The nitronium ion is prepared by using concentrated H2SO4 and concentrated HNO3. That means when we take the concentrated H2SO4 and concentrated HNO3, we get the nitronium ion. That means addition of nitronium ion is called as the nitration. Number 2, halogenation. Halogenation, that means addition of halogen. And you know the halogen. Halogen, that means chlorine, bromine and iodine. Number 3, sulfonation. Sulfonation by using the concentrated H2SO4. The number 4, Friedel-Crafts reaction. The Friedel-Crafts reaction, it is called as the acylation and the alkylation reaction. Actually, it is classified into 2 types: Friedel-Crafts alkylation and Friedel-Crafts acylation. This is again a substitution reaction. Last, the side chain oxidation of alkyl benzene. Side chain oxidation of alkyl benzene, that means aromatic ring containing some side chain. And when we use a different types of oxidizing agent, then what will be the effect on a side chain of aromatic hydrocarbon? that part discussed in side chain oxidation of alkyl benzene. Here you must know the what is meant by the oxidation and a oxidizing agent and its role. This is about a introduction of aromatic hydrocarbon. In next session, we discuss each and every point in detail. Okay, thank you.